ZEISS Axiovert 5 Digital. Your all-in-one cell imaging system. 10 highlights in 90 seconds. Your cells. One button for multi-channel fluorescence, cell counting, cell confluency, or video recording. Save time to train colleagues, acquire images and get results. Time to get happy cells. Use LabScope artificial intelligence to make your data comparable and reproducible. Imaging parameters and correct scaling are automatically retrieved and saved in the metadata. The small footprint and the light shield guarantee an optimal fit for your lab bench, flowbox, or wet lab with ambient light. Acquire up to 4 fluorescence and 1 transmitted light image in independent channels. Just push one button. The ergonomic design and adjustable tablet position promise minimal physical strain, no matter if you work standing or sitting. Axiovert 5 Digital is easy to use, avoiding misalignments or unintended changes. This is particularly useful in multiple user environments. Take the tablet and control your system remotely. With the flexible tablet holder, you can upgrade your system with a future tablet generation.